Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Active Thinkers Child Development Center's 14th Moving Up ceremony with our theme this year, Oh, the things you can think. To start this morning's celebration, let us all welcome the students of Active Thinkers in their procession headed by the Bible bearer, Amara Peralta, and the flag bearers, Davy Adriano and Marion Usita. Followed by the K1 Skinner, Steiner, and Bandura classes headed by Bote Liana Ray, Cabillos Amitis Riley, Gamo Alexander Ivan, Maiko Liwanag Isabel, Manzanillo Gabe Liam, Parone Kalila Adrian, Tangio Simon, Tamayo Alessandro Theo, Ubaldo Adam Kai, Usita Marion Mikhail, Adriano Davy Nicolay, Agres Keondre Nicolay, Bakay Derhey Alcender, Bautista Alistair Uriel, Bueno Stacy Yumi, De Vera Jairo Ezriel, Dizon Rio, Reyes Eli Benedict, Ronquillo Aliela Briel, Mindanao Francine Alexa, Banag Talia Summer, Villanos Harper Aria, and Yasai Zoe Isabel. And from the nursery class of Piaget, Freud, and Giselle, headed by Abad Mia Lieli, Bentilio Marcos, Escara Zach, Goyal Irvine Chrysler, Olalo Lex Adonis, Peralta Amara, Sernal Skyler Lucas, Toledo Sydney, Alvaro Love Daniel, Lozano Rohan Alexander. Manaog David Gregor. Borromeo Louis Claire. Canuela Hart Jillian. Clementir Nezikel. De la Cruz Robin Alesi. Directo Heidi Lorenzo. Mascareñas Asti. Patron Marco Luis. Vallejo Zuriel Primo. Villadores Zian Heather. And De La Cruz Robin Alessi. And now to introduce the teaching and non-teaching staff of Active Thinkers, starting with the teachers in charge. Teacher Giselle Abadiano, Advisor of Toddler Playgroup, Nursery Fred J, and Grade 6 Pavlov. Antoinette Camacho, K1 Skinner, and Grade 4 Pestalozzi. Teacher April Pimentel, Grade 1 Bronfenbrenner. Team teachers, subject teachers, and teacher aide, starting with Noemi Barayoga. Teacher Rich Ann Estebar, Nursery Piaget, and Grade 3 Gardner. Teacher Maria Cecilia Cristobal, Grade 2 Havigers. Again, for teachers, aides, and team teachers, Jade Marie Bunyi. Leia Argiles. And Ana Bobadilla. And of course, our esteemed school administrator, Teacher Lenith Nolasco Senora. Please rise for the singing of the national anthem, to be led by Michael Liwanag Isabel from Kinder 1 Steiner class.
Morning once again, parents, guests, teachers and students. I am your host for today and I am Teacher G. And I am proud to introduce my surprise and stunning co-host from Kinder 1 class, Liana Ray Bote.
I'm not a warrior, I'm too afraid to lose. I feel unqualified for what you're calling me to. But Lord, with your strength, I got no excuse. 'Cause broken people are exactly who you use. So give me faith like Daniel in the lion's den. Give me hope like Moses in the wilderness. Give me a heart like David, Lord, be my defense. So I can face my giants with confidence. You took a shepherd boy and made him a king. So I'm gonna trust you and give you everything. I'll be a conqueror, 'cause you fight for me. I'll be a champion, claiming your victory. So give me faith like Daniel in the lion's den. Give me hope like Moses in the wilderness. Give me a heart like David, Lord, be my defense. So I can face my giants with confidence. I'm gonna sing and shout and shake the wall. Won't stop until I see them fall. Gonna stand up, step back when you call. Jesus, Jesus. I'm gonna sing and shout and shake the wall. Won't stop until I see them fall. Gonna stand up, step back when you call. Jesus. Give me faith like Daniel in the lion's den. Give me hope like Moses in the wilderness. Give me a heart like David, Lord, be my defense. So I can face my giants with confidence. Give me faith like Daniel in the lion's den. Give me hope like Moses in the wilderness. Give me a heart like David, Lord, be my defense. So I can face my giants with confidence. I'll face my giants with confidence.
Once again, this is my stunning co-host, Liana Ray Bote from Kinder 1 class.
Thank you, Teacher G. Good afternoon, parents.
Aren't you excited, Liana, that you are part of this afternoon ceremony and will soon move up to another level? I'm sure your parents are so proud of the girl you become. Look at you, such a fine young lady.
Thank you, Teacher G. Yes, my parents are so delighted I am moving to another level. I look forward to another years of school, more significant challenges.
I am so happy for you, Liana. I have witnessed your struggle in school, even when you were in nursery class, especially the tough lessons, and how you never gave up despite the challenges.
Thank you, Teacher G. Thank you also for being a great teacher in the nursery class. You have served as a role model in class.
Let's not wait any longer. This program will not be complete without hearing from our visionary behind our center, Active Thinkers Child Development Center. Who else but our beloved school administrator, Teacher Lenny Senora. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, Teacher G, and your very cute co-host, si Liana. Okay, good morning, parents. I see we have a full packed room today. I am really glad to see all of you today. And as you are aware now, our theme is all the things that we can think from Dr. Seuss. So the creative adult is the child who survived. This is the very essence of our theme today, thinking outside the box, carving our own path, and not just following the bandwagon. 14 years ago, when I conceptualized active thinkers, I was pretty frustrated with the preschools my children went to. Teachers would always say, dapat marunong ka na magbasa, be quiet, follow teacher's orders. While these are all correct, children are boxed to what they are supposed to do or say or behave in a particular manner. We are suppressing their right to express themselves verbally and emotionally, as we only want them to say and do things according to the norm. But what about their creativity? How can they freely express the thoughts that run in their wild imagination if the adults around them keep filtering their words and actions, labeling them as noisy when they speak freely or standing when they want to explore their environment? In all the things you can think, Dr. Seuss says, there is no limit to one's imagination. Here at Active Thinkers, we encourage our students' creativity. We challenge their critical thinking so that they learn that in this world, things are not always in black and white, and that is okay. Why are we teaching this to young children? Because the first 6 years of the child's life is their foundation of learning. If they know that their opinions are valid and appreciated, they will grow into confident adults who will never have to fear judgment from society. During the commencement exercises of Miriam College Skills Development and Technical Education Center, I was deeply moved by the speaker's statement, Attorney Joseph Noel Estrada, and I quote, "Sana dumating ang araw na ang tanong ng employers sa mga nag-a-apply ay hindi kung ano ang tinapos mo, kung ano ang kaya mong gawin. Hindi lang kung saan ka nagtapos, kundi anong karakter ang meron ka sa mga hamon ng buhay mo. Hindi na rin anong edad at kasarian mo, kundi paano ka nabubuhay na may respeto sa iyong kapwa." I share Attorney Estrada's vision of our country where every Filipino has the freedom to study hard, to study and choose their path without barriers, regardless of financial status, sexual orientation, age, disability, religion, and other factors. Where we are not restricted to do things or to go places because of these factors. Active Thinkers is not just a school, but a community that embraces diversity and inclusivity. We serve as a transition school for students who still need to be ready to face the challenges of big school. During their time with us, we equip them with the out-of-the-box learning. We redefine the family system, teaching that all children have a right to education. This prepares them to enter big schools, where they will encounter people of different gender, class, race, or religion. They will be proud of their uniqueness and the kind of family they belong to, fostering a sense of belongingness and acceptance. Someone once asked me if I aspire to turn Active Thinkers into a big school. Why not, di ba? I would love that. But then again, most parents enroll in our center because of our home-like setting, where everybody knows everybody, and the teachers genuinely care for their students' well-being because of our small teacher-student ratio. Then I began to ask myself again, do I really want that? For Active Thinkers to be a big school? Well, not for the time being, when families still need a transition school like us to prepare and equip their children. When families with children with special needs need a school that practices inclusivity and believes that no child should be left behind. And most of all, when we can service families to hone children to be critical thinkers and creative learners. while some parents need a transition school for their children who still feel overwhelmed with big schools. Active Thinkers will be here to serve their needs. This morning, let us enjoy the children's presentation as they showcase their creative skills and performing. The one school year that they were with us proved to be a great learning experience, not only for them, but also for us teachers, me included. An excellent proof that integrating diversity and inclusivity in our curriculum would make for active learners who are creative thinkers. Good day, and may you enjoy the rest of the presentation this morning.
Thank you, Teacher Lenit, for that heartwarming opening remarks. You know, Liana, just what Teacher Lenit said, our creative imagination knows no limits. It allows us to view the world differently. And by being creative, we can create and innovate.
Yes, teacher, I agree. Sometimes I like to daydream and sometimes and imagine the possibilities and wonders of the world.
Well, that's great, Liana. But remember to create something out of your creative imagination. Don't live with your heads in the clouds, like our theme this afternoon. Oh, the things you can think. Creative thinkers, future leaders. Individuals like you who have creative minds have insightful judgments and can make important discoveries in the future.
Oh, I'm so thrilled, Teacher G. Thank you for believing in me and my capabilities.
I've always believed in you, Liana, since day one when you entered Active Thinkers. I know you will go as far as your imagination can take you.
Thank you for the compliment, teacher. Rest assured that I will not fail to meet your expectations. I will study hard and someday I will make you proud of me.
That's a great attitude, Liana. So now, we're going to explore our creative imagination. Are you ready for your special presentation along with your classmates, Liana?
Yes, teacher, my feet are now dancing.
Can you show us a bit of your steps in your dance? A sample? Wow, you seems like you're so excited. But before you do that, we will first honor the students who excel in their respective multiple intelligences. Speaking of presentations, Teacher Lenny told me that your classmates are now ready for a very special one. So I have to excuse you now, Liana. See you later. To give our students the awards and certificates, may we call on our beloved school administrator, Teacher Lenny Senora. And to present the award for Nursery Piaget, let's call their advisor, Teacher Rich Ann Estebar.
Thank you, Teacher G. Good morning, parents, and good morning, visitors. She is always excited to go to school. She likes examining things that look interesting and loves listening to music. She is our Miss Motivated, our Intrapersonal Intelligence, and Musical Intelligence. Congratulations to Mia Lieli Abad. He is an active child and always acts as a leader in class. He has shown a sense of responsibility not only for himself but for his classmates too. He also has the abilities in numbers and puzzles and quickly visualizes what he thinks and hears. He is our Passionate Participant Award, our Interpersonal Intelligence, Mathematical Intelligence, Visual Spatial Intelligence, And our young achiever for third trimester, congratulations to Marcus P. Bentilio. He has shown much interest in the class. He always asks questions, especially when something new introduced to him. He also actively learns by observing and interacting with the things around him, which helps him accomplish many good things in class. He is our Little Scientist Award, our Linguistic Intelligence, Existential Intelligence, Visual Spatial Intelligence, and our Young Achiever for third trimester. Congratulations to Zach O. Escara. He loves roaming around the classroom, observing and exploring his environment. He also dances through music. He is our Brave Heart Award, our Intrapersonal Award, and Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence. Congratulations to Irvine Chrysler Goyal. He is an active and joyful child. He has great deal of energy every time he plays a game with his classmates. He also demonstrates a steady, eagerness, and energetic willingness to learn. He is our Growth Guru Award, our Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence, Musical Intelligence, and Visual Spatial Intelligence. Congratulations to Olalo Lex Adonis B. She shows enthusiasm about her task. She can quickly finish the task independently and interact effectively with her classmates using verbal and non-verbal cues. She is our Wordsmith Awardee, our Linguistic Intelligence, Mathematical Intelligence. She is our WizKids third placer for nursery level, our Young Achiever for third trimester, and she is our Holistic Child SY 2023-2024. Congratulations to Amara Peralta. He has shown a strong appreciation for music. He enjoys singing and is good at remembering a song. He also exhibits marvelous skills in reading. Our Rocking Reader Award, our Intrapersonal Intelligence and Musical Intelligence. Congratulations to Sir Nal Skylar Lucas L. Last but not the least, he always shows a bright smile in class. He also takes the initiative to do his usual activity and has characterized a steady eagerness and energetic effort in his willingness to learn. He is our Energetic Wanderer Award, our intrapersonal intelligence, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Congratulations to Sydney Carly Toledo. Again, congratulations parents and Nursery Piaget.
Thank you, Teacher Rich, and congratulations to Nursery Piaget. Once again, good morning, parents. I am proud to present to you the awardees of Nursery Giselle. Let's begin with Louis Claire enjoys engaging in physical activities and learns more easily when presented with visuals. Our interpersonal intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and growth mindset awardee, Louis Claire Borromeo. Congratulations, Louis Claire. Heart often thinks in words and has highly developed auditory abilities. She also likes doing physical activities. Our visual spatial intelligence, verbal linguistic, logical mathematical intelligence, Young Peer Helper Awardee Story Challenge second placer, Whiz Kid Champion Nursery Level, and our Young Achiever for the third trimester, Canuela Hart Jillian. Congratulations, Hart. Nezekiel can identify the problem and can think by reasoning. He can use numbers effectively and reason well. Our visual spatial intelligence, verbal linguistic intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, Braveheart Awardee, Storytelling Challenge Champion, Young Achiever for the third trimester. Congratulations, Clementier Nezekiel. Robin is good at remembering songs and melodies. She can also detect and respond appropriately to others' moods and desires. Our intrapersonal intelligence and musical intelligence, and our Young Striver Awardee, Robin Alice de la Cruz. Cade likes physical activities that challenge his strengths. He interacts effectively with his classmates using both verbal and non-verbal cues. Our visual spatial intelligence, verbal linguistic intelligence, our Young Peer Helper Awardee, Whiz Kid second placer nursery level, Young Achiever for the third trimester, and our Holistic Child for the school year 2023 to 2024, Director Cade Lorenzo. Asti enjoys the visual arts. She likes painting and drawing. She can connect with others on an emotional level. Our intrapersonal intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, Heart of Gold awardee and Storytelling Challenge third placer. Congratulations, Asti Mascareñas. Marco can perceive and comprehend the emotions of others. He also likes physical activities and testing his strength. Our visual spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, and our Heart of Gold awardee, Patron Marco Luis. Zuriel often excels at puzzle solving. He has a good visual memory and is very artistically inclined. Our visual spatial intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, social butterfly awardee, and our young achiever for the third trimester, Vallejo Zuriel Primo. Last but not least, Heather has a vivid imagination and is skilled at finding unexpected ways to solve problems. Our interpersonal intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, musical intelligence, and our social butterfly awardee. Congratulations to Villadora Zian Heather. And now, I am proud to present to you the awardees of Nursery Freud. Daniel has a vivid imagination and skill at finding unexpected ways to solve problems. She also gets along with others. Our interpersonal intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and our Brave Heart awardee. Congratulations to Alvaro Love Daniel. Our next awardee, David loves to use his sensory skills. He is constantly aware of his thoughts and feelings. He enjoys engaging in physical activities too. Our bodily kinesthetic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and our diligent child awardee. Congratulations to Manaog David Grigor. Last but not least, Rohan thinks and processes information in pictures and images. He concentrates well on current topics. Our visual spatial intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and our growth mindset awardee. Congratulations to Lozano Rohan Alexander. Another award this time from Kinder 1 Vertical Class Bandura. I am proud to present to you the awardees of my dear Kinder 1 Vertical Class Bandura. Thalia likes doing physical activities and interacts with her classmates effectively using verbal and non-verbal cues. Our interpersonal intelligence, visual and spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, our math scientist awardee, and our WizKids champion in Kinder 1 level, Banaag Talia Summer. Congratulations, Talia. Our next awardee, Harper can identify the problem and think by reasoning. She works well with numbers and recognizes patterns easily. Additionally, she can perceive and comprehend the emotions of others. Our interpersonal intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, verbal linguistic intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, and our leadership awardee. Congratulations, Villanos Harper Aria. Last but not least, Zoe enjoys singing and musical instruments. She also likes doing physical activities. Our bodily kinesthetic intelligence and musical intelligence and our Young Striver awardee, congratulations, Yasai Zoe Isabel. Congratulations to Kinder 1 Vertical Class Mandura. From Kinder 1 Skinner, may I call on Teacher Lenith, their class advisor, to present their awards.
Hello again. I'm here to present the awardees from K1 Skinner. Our first awardee, a very precocious girl. She can easily cope with the lessons and finish tasks within a given time frame. She's a great performer too. Our visual spatial, bodily kinesthetic, verbal linguistic intelligence, and young achiever for third trimester awardee, Liana Ray Bote. Congratulations, Liana! Despite her very young age, this girl is very concerned with details. She sees that she fills all the boxes and figures when she writes, paints, or draws. Never mind that it takes her entire time to do it for as long as she's satisfied with her work. She's a great dancer too. Our bodily kinesthetic and interpersonal intelligence awardee, Amitis Cabillos. Congratulations, Amitis! Our next awardee, he is our gentle boy in class. He is well adjusted in our class routine and a serious learner too. Our visual spatial intrapersonal intelligence awardee, Alexander Ivan Gamo. Congratulations, Ivan! The girl who is generally quiet in class, but she is very precocious as well despite her very young age. She is a great singer too. Our musical intrapersonal intelligence awardee and young achiever for third trimester, Liwanag Isabel Maiko. Congratulations, Liwanag! This cute little boy is a darling to everyone. His classmates adore him because of his sweet disposition and charming personality. Our verbal linguistic, visual spatial intelligence awardee, Gabe Liam Manzanillo. Congratulations, Gabe Liam. This girl has indeed improved in the past months that she is with us. She is keen on learning and is very detailed in her work. She is very concerned with what her classmates are doing, especially when they do not listen to the teacher or not finish their assigned tasks. During free play, she enjoys playing with her classmates and her teachers as well. Our intra and interpersonal intelligence awardee, Kalila Adrian Parone. Congratulations, Kalila. This boy has dramatically improved in class, primarily because of his interest in our daily activities. He is always curious about many things and likes to explore his environment too. He's a great reader too. Our Visual Spatial Logical Mathematical Intelligence awardee and Young Achiever for third trimester, congratulations, Gio Simon Tan. Congratulations, Gio. This boy is a fast learner. He can easily follow instructions and is always excited about learning. Our boy wonder, verbal linguistic, bodily kinesthetic, visual spatial intelligence awardee and young achiever for third trimester, Alessandro Teo Tamayo. Congratulations, Teo. Our next awardee is a serious worker. He is usually quiet amid chaos in class, although he responds when asked and diligently does his assigned tasks as well. Our bodily kinesthetic and intrapersonal intelligence awardee, Adam Kai Ubaldo. Congratulations, Adam. And last but not least, our awardee is a quiet listener in class. He does all activities diligently and enjoys both work and play with his friends. He has improved a lot during his stay in our K1 class. Our Visual Spatial Intrapersonal Intelligence awardee, Marlon Mikhail Usita. Congratulations, Marion. Congratulations to all K1 Skinner.
Thank you, Teacher Lenith, and congratulations to Kinder 1 Skinner. And now, to present the awardees from K1 Steiner, may I call on their class, Teacher in Charge, Antoinette Camacho.
Morning, everyone. So I will present to you the students from Kinder 1 Steiner. When the school year started, he was still shy. Over time, he overcame this and has blossomed into a person who can express himself with enthusiasm. Our Great Growth Awardee, Intrapersonal Intelligence and Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence Awardee, Adriana Davy Nicolay. This boy has always loved planets and the solar system, which has been reflected in his schoolwork. He is affectionate, respectful, and cheerful when dealing with his teachers and classmates. Our Science Star Awardee, Naturalist Intelligence, Visual Spatial Intelligence, and Young Achiever for third trimester, Agnes Keandre Nicolay. He has displayed interest in concepts such as numbers and technology. He has shown progress in his work habits and making friends in the classroom. Our Active Adventurer Awardee, Logical Mathematical Intelligence and Intrapersonal Intelligence, Bakay Derhey Alsander. He constantly improves his reading. He is always excited to go to school. He is an independent learner who puts great effort into learning new skills and lessons. Our Determined Discoverer, Verbal Linguistic Intelligence and Intrapersonal Intelligence, Bautista Alistair Uriel. Bautista Alistair Uriel. She is a positive presence in the classroom. She loves communicating with her classmates. She likes to tell stories of her adventures in life. She always enjoys being in school and is an eager learner. Our sunshine spreader, interpersonal intelligence, visual spatial intelligence, and Young Achiever Awardee for the third trimester, Bueno Stacy Yumi. This boy improved his skills by participating in various school events. He is an independent learner who learns the lessons and stays on task. Our Exceptional Effort Awardee, Verbal Linguistic Intelligence and Interpersonal Intelligence Awardee, Devera Jairo Ezriel. He is an energetic student. He likes to move around, play, talk to his classmates. He is always happy to be in school. He shows great effort in learning a skill or lesson. Our Enthusiasm Expert Awardee, Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence, Interpersonal Intelligence, Dizon Rio. This girl continues to be a diligent student. She loves to learn and is always participative in the classroom. She constantly improves herself and her work tasks are done neatly. Our Learning Lover Awardee, Verbal Linguistic Intelligence, Logical Mathematical Intelligence, and Young Achiever for third trimester, Mindanao Francine Alexa. This boy is an energetic student. He enjoys school and has made new friends. He is not afraid of expressing his thoughts and emotions. He is constantly developing good work habits and is proud of his work. Our Constant Communicator Awardee, Bodily Kinesthetic and Verbal Linguistic Intelligence, Reyes Eli Benedict. She always comes to school with a smile. She does her work neatly and at a faster pace. She loves making friends and is cooperative during classroom activities. Our Wonderful Worker Awardee, Visual Spatial Intelligence, Logical Mathematical Intelligence, and Young Achiever for third trimester, Ronquillo Aliela Briel. Congratulations, the students of Kinder 1 Steiner. Thank you, everybody.
Our parent speaker this morning was a class valedictorian, president and CEO of 3HJ Foods Corporation, a BSIT graduate at AMA Computer University. To further hone his skills in business management, he is currently taking Master in Entrepreneurship at Ateneo de Manila Graduate School of Business. He is the doting father of our cute nursery student, Hart Jillian. Let us give a warm welcome to our parent speaker, Mr. Hans Canuela.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Teachers, students, parents, and esteemed guests. It's an honor to stand before you today as a parent, representing the collective efforts of all the families here who have embarked on the incredible journey of raising and nurturing our children. As we gather to celebrate this milestone in our children's lives, it's a touching moment to reflect on the journey we've all been part of. From the moment our children entered this world, we've been entrusted with a deep responsibility of shaping their young minds and nurturing their growing hearts. In the nursery classroom, our children have experienced a world of wonder and discovery. They've learned not just letters and numbers, but invaluable lessons about friendship, kindness, resilience, and empathy. They've explored, questioned, and imagined, guided by the unwavering dedication of their teachers. But let's not forget that the journey of training a child extends far beyond the walls of the classroom. It's in the everyday moments, the bedtime stories, the scraped knees, and the shared laughter around the dinner table. It is in the small acts of encouragement, the gentle nudges towards independence, and the unconditional love that fills our homes. As parents, we've played many roles in our children's lives. We are their teacher, cheerleader, comforter, and role model. As for my daughter Heart, her sister Hope is one of her role model. She always copies her ate and do everything she does. If her ate is studying, she is also studying. They want to do everything together. Her sister played a big part in her growth. We've watched with pride as they've taken their first steps, uttered their first words, and now as they graduate from nursery and K2, we marvel at the incredible individuals they are becoming. But let us also recognize that we haven't walked this journey alone. We've been supported by a community of fellow parents, grandparents, relatives, and friends who have shared in our joys, offered a helping hand in times of need, and stood by us every step of the way. So, as we celebrate this momentous occasion, let us express our deepest gratitude to everyone who has played a part in shaping our children's lives. The teachers, administrators, Teacher Lenit, fellow parents, and of course, our beloved children themselves. As we look ahead to the adventures that await our graduates in the years to come, let us continue to cherish every moment, to celebrate every achievement, and to embrace the journey of parenthood with open hearts and open minds. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2023-2024. May your future filled with boundless opportunities, endless possibilities, and the unwavering love and support of your families and every one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hans Canuela, for your inspiring message. Moving on, Liana, you know this celebration will never be complete without watching the presentation of your fellow schoolmates.
I'm also excited to watch the dance presentation, teacher. You know, teacher, performing on stage is among my favorite activities.
I can see that, Liana. You are one of our greatest performers in school. Let us not wait any further. Let us watch Nursery Piaget with their dance performance. Everyone, please give it up for Nursery Piaget.
'Cause I've got creativity, and it's buzzing all through me. And I will be seen and heard today in my own special way. 'Cause I've got creativity. Hey, and that makes me endless possibilities with all my creativity. So much good stuff that I can see. It piques my curiosity. Discover awesome colors that this world is painting all around, and using every bit of that big voice I found. Hey, hey, I am an artist. I'm creative. I can be most anything. I am the future. I'm important. I will go after my dreams. I'm proud of me. I make a difference, and I can be most anything. I am amazing. I am kind, and I will chase my dreams. 'Cause I've got creativity, and it's buzzing all through me. Or maybe I'll be president. I'll write 1,000 books or help the world with something I invent. I'll be a great comedian, an actor, memorizing lines. In everything, my creativity will shine. Hey, I am a helper, I'm a friend, and I can be most anything. I am smart and I am fun, and I will go after my dreams. I'm confident and I'm unique. I can be most anything. I am strong and wonderful, and I will chase my dreams, 'cause I've got creativity. And it's buzzing all through me. And I will be seen and heard today in my own special way, 'cause I've got creativity. And that makes me me. 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 And that makes me me.
That was an awesome presentation from Nursery PJ. Parents, may we please ask everyone to refrain from standing, especially during their children's presentation, so we can maintain order in the presentation area. Thank you. Of course, not to be missed is the special presentation by Nursery Giselle and Nursery Freud. A big round of applause for Nursery Giselle and Nursery Freud.
The news? Yeah! Imagine you could be anything. What would you be? Brave explorer, a courageous knight, or a monster from beneath the sea? Imagine I grew so high, I could walk over a tree. Well, anything can be anything you want it to be. With your imagination. With your imagination. It's an inspiration. Your imagination. Imagine you're a genius, always deep in thought. Imagine that your best friend is the most amazing robot. Imagine you're a scientist and you're not a train. Anything can be anything you want to be. With your imagination. With your imagination. It's an inspiration. Your imagination. You can do anything.
I can be a pig by smiling at you. I can be a friend you feel. I can be a friend who is honest. I can be a friend every day. I can be a friend. Hello. Mr. Battery. Hello. There is battery.
With your imagination. With
Good job, nursery students. You are such great performers. Moving on, let's watch the Kinder 1 Skinner class with their special presentation.
You defy the impossible. Got a heart unstoppable. You are more than ready. Yeah. Not just a fighter, not just a dreamer, amazing creator, relentless believer in who I am and what I got inside. Dream, see, write, live your story. Every day it keeps unfolding, unfolding. Make it your own. The power is all yours. Dream, see, write, live your story. Dream big and live your story. So many roads for you to pave. Let them all go your way. You are more than ready. Yeah. Look in the mirror, can't get much clearer. Beautiful treasure, one of a kind on earth. Setting free what I got here inside. Oh, dream, see, write, live your story. Your story. Oh, every day it keeps unfolding, unfolding. Make it your own. The power is all yours. Dream, see, write, live your story. Dream big and live your Set the fire free. You got what the world needs, and it's time you see that there's only one. Dream, see, write, live your story. Your story. Every day it keeps unfolding, unfolding. Make it your own. The power that's all yours. Dream, see, write, live your story. Dream big and live your
Wow! That was an awesome performance. Live Your Story by K1 Skinner. Last but not least, let's see what K1 Steiner and K1 Vertical Class Bandura with their special presentation. Let's clap our hands for our dear K1 Steiner and Vertical Class Bandura. and gentlemen, presenting the highlights of this year's activities, where our active thinker students bloomed in their respective fields of intelligence. Palarong Pinoy with our theme, muling kilalanin, palaro at pagkain, impluensya sa ating.
Ang bawat bata sa ating mundo ay may pangalan, may karapatan. Tumatanda ngunit bata pa rin ang bawat tao sa ating mundo. Uwa, uwa, la la la, la la la, la la la. Uwa, uwa, la la la, la la la, la la la.
Costume party with the theme Masquerade Ball.
Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear
Christmas musical presentation with our theme The Giving Christmas Tree. Celebrating the month of love, Valentine's Day with the theme Hearts Day, Fun Day.
It's about you, it's about me, it's about the truth that sets us free. It's about L-O-V-E, love from the Father up above. It's about hope, it's about life, it's about the love of Jesus Christ. It's about everlasting, never failing love.
Recognizing students with their creative gift, Malikhaing Kamay, Earth Day, Every Day.
We're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land and air. This is our planet to share. We're in it together, forever and ever, saving our water, land and air. This is our planet to share.
Whiskey's Quiz Show. Credits to our cognitively advanced students for topping our Whiskey's Quiz Show. And last but not least, Book Month with a Storytelling Challenge.
Places you'll go. Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have rings in your hair, you have feet in your shoes. Can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own and you know what to do. You are the kind who decide where to go. places go? Oh, the places you go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You're joining the high flyers who soar the great heights. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say so, but sadly it's true. The bang up and hang up can happen to you. Oh, all the places you can go. You can get all hung up in a prickly perch, and your gun will fly on and you'll be left in a lurch. You'll come down from the lurch with an unpleasant bump, and the chances are then that you'll be in a slump. And when you're in a slump, you're not in for much fun. Unslumping yourself is not easily done. All alone, whether you like it or not, alone will be something you'll be quite a lot. And when you're alone, there's a very good chance you'll meet things that scare you right out of your pants. And there are some down the road between here and yon that can scare you so much you won't want to go on. But on you'll go, though the weather is foul. On you'll go, though your enemy is proud. On you'll go, though the hack and cracks howl. And will succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98 and 3/4% guaranteed. Kid, you'll move mountains. So be your name, Bugs Bum or Bixby or Bray or Mordecai Ali Van O'Shea. You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way.
To take their final vows, let us welcome the students of Active Thinkers. You may now join your classmates' partner. Thank you for being my co-host for today's presentation. Let's clap our hands for my amazing co-host. Good job today, Liana! Again, presenting the students as they take their final vow for the school year 2023 to 2024. Let's give a big round of applause to the students of Active Thinkers.
I can see that you've got quite a mind for your age. Why, one think and he dragged me right onto the stage.
Now I'm here, there's no telling what may ensue.
With a cat such as me and a thinker like you. Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think. If you're willing to try.
an elephant up in a tree. Think of a person too tiny to see.
Think of a bird with a one-feathered tail.
Going on adventure down a dangerous trail.
Think of a bird who flies up on a tree.
Think of a kangaroo, sour as can be. Think of some monkeys with trouble in store. Think of something horrible and hairy, something sinister and scary that you never dared to think of before. Think of nobody here and the feeling of fear and the darkness of night. All alone in your room, has your face in your dream. Think a glimmer of a light. But I hope you're prepared to be scared and scared, cause this ain't Mother Goose. Danger's right on the brink when you think about Zeus. An unusual story will soon be unfurled of an elephant trying to save a small world, and a boy from that world who has things just like you. Just think from the planet of blues,
And the smallest of small.
to the jungle of Nool, and the largest of all. And think, 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 and think. Just think. Oh, the things you can think and wonder and dream far and wide as you dare. When your things have run dry in the blink of an eye, there's another thing there. If you open your mind, oh, the things you will find lining up together. Oh, the things you can think. 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 When you think about Zeus. When you think about Zeus. When you think about
Wow! Let us watch them again as they sing the Active Thinkers jingle.